I love you more, Shay Shay. No, but I love you more.
If you thought huskies were cute, just wait until you hear them talk.
Cute kisses, Shay Shay.
If you're not getting a wiener dog, you're not living your best life. Do not, I repeat, do not mess with this dog's toys. Water? Where has this magical substance been all my life? Life goes on, even when you're feeling dizzy.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Demands respect, power, and belly rubs. Shh, it's our secret handshake. Don't tell anyone. Why does he love paper so much?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Gotta make the bed a bit more cozy.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
The cake is hideous, but I mean, it was made by a dog, so... Just another day hanging out with this adorable baby floof. Warning, cuteness overload.
Your pet do that's super cute. I'll go first. Wipe your feet. Wipe them again. Okay, show me. Good boy.
Drama is this doggo's middle name.
We are going outside. You don't want to go? Let's go. Okay, bye.
When the fourth paw goes in, that means it's for real.
Bruh.
I'm a very sleepy boy. Please don't wake me up. Pooch getting ready to take the plunge into the water for the first time. Wish me luck.
Get it.
Get it, boy. Get it.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah.
When your dog finally learns how to do a spin.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
I'm not just a good girl, I'm a great girl.
Excuse me. Hey. No, ma'am.
This dog wasn't very happy with this
Use
trend.
your dog's favorite word.
Oh, nothing. You're getting a treat? Oh, really? Oh, after you went outside? Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember you went for a walk, and then you went for a car ride, and oh, you got a bone too. Shh, I'm trying to talk on the phone, buddy. Oh, cool. Did you go to the park? You went hiking too?